sample rate, guys. Okay, I'm gonna make this very simple. I have already mixed my entire mix in 44,000. So it only makes sense to use that congruency of 44,000 in my export. Let's say you have two notes, right? One person's playing a B, and the next person is playing a B that's a little flat, right? They're right next to each other. You can hear the notes conflicting. You can hear them pushing against each other and like not really getting along, right? So it's the same principle for this. If I were to switch what I already processed at this speed to this speed, even like, okay, we'll do this one, to this one, then it's not going to be as congruent. So if I was going to do this, I would want to work from the beginning in 44,000. You don't want to switch at the end. It just doesn't make sense, especially if notes work like the same way. But whenever you're mastering, this is for mixing. This is only for mixing, you know, and working on the song. If you're mastering, you go up to 96,000. You start at 96,000 from the jump when you work on the project. So what you're doing is taking this speed. Let's say you are at 48,000. You're taking this speed of which you already processed the information and you're mastering at a speed twice as fast. So you're getting a clarity that's twice as clean as 48,000 and even higher if you start with 44,000. Well, maybe not as much because of that frequency consistency we talked about. But in some cases, you want to bring it to 192,000. I don't know anything about that, so I'm not going to get into that. But 96,000 for mastering, 48 and 44.1 for mixing, okay? It's that simple. It's that simple. It's that simple. I'm going to give a great example here, kind of irrelevant to music, but still relevant to this lesson, okay? So light itself moves at a speed of 670 million miles per hour, a little more than that. But the universe expands at a speed that's exponentially twice that. So that means that the reason light can go so fast and the reason I can perceive me being touched instantly is because the universe itself operates at a speed twice as fast as light. So that's why you can't, if the universe expanded and operated at the same speed as light, then light would not work like it does. You'd be able to see the points in between light. It's like you'd be able to see, if you're a cat, you can see the frames between the TV. If your TV is 60 FPS, cats can see up to 90 FPS. Like, they're going to see in between the frames, okay? It's just that simple.